Hello students, so here in this video we will learn how to balance a chemical equation. As here you can see there is a small equation. We will start with the smaller one and then we will go to more complex equations. So here we have nitrogen N2 reacting with hydrogen gas H2 forming ammonia NH3. Now what are we going to do? Let's write reactants and products separately to see how many each of it have. So here nitrogen, I see how many I have. I have two of it. And here how many? Here there is nothing. So it means it is one, right? So I am going to write one here. For hydrogen, as I can see, there are two of them. I write two here. And here hydrogen is three. Okay. Now the thing is that both of them, nitrogen and hydrogen, are not balanced. So what I will identify where it is more and where it is less. When I look at nitrogen, here I see there are more nitrogen and here less number of nitrogen. So here I have two. What should I do? Let's start by writing two with that. So here I write 2 with nitrogen. So when I write 2 with nitrogen, it has made my nitrogen 2. Okay, so it is already balanced. But now how about hydrogen? This 2 will be multiplied with this hydrogen. So it means it has made hydrogen 6. 2, 3 times 6. So here my hydrogen has become 6. Now on the other hand side, what should I put to make it 6? Let's write 3 here. This 3 will be multiplied with this 2, making it 6 as well. So on both sides, I'll have 6 hydrogen. I double check. Nitrogen, how many I have? I have 2 here. I have 2 here. Hydrogen, 3, 2 times 6 as I can see here, and 2, 3 times 6 here as I can see 6 hydrogen. So this is how we balance a chemical equation.